Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins.
Dust kicks, hot trail bites hard. Rocks like fist break the guard. Wheels screaming metal scars. Razor to Challis Creek we go. Through the teeth of the earth we flow. Crystal lakes shine, they steal the show. Sky cuts blue like shattered glass. Idaho's wild heart, no maps, no pass. Echoes chase us, engines rasp. No turning back, no slowing down. Off-road dreams where we're unbound.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Carmelita and I are camped in Challis, Idaho. For today's adventure, we brought our truck and the RZR up here to Mosquito Flat Reservoir. It's a beautiful lake and we saw a lot of trout jumping. For today's adventure, we're actually going to take the RZR up to Challis Creek Lakes. Carmelita, are you ready to go see the lakes?
I am. Let's go.
Dust kicks up like smoke signals. Wheels spinning fast through pine cathedrals. Freedom smells like fuel and dirt. We carve the trail like it's our own. Smooth rocks singing under the chrome. Idaho skies wide open as a flirt. James and Carmelita.
Pretty nice road so far.
RZR roaring where the mountainside. Scenic lakes, they're calling us near. This is what it means to feel alive out here.
Mosquitos. Well, we're in about 3.6 miles from the lake. Come to a trail sign, it's 4268. The road's getting a little bit rougher, but it's still not bad.
The road bends, the world expands, grip tight, hold steady with steady hands.
Looks like the trail's starting to climb, Carmelita.
James and Carmelita riding high. RZR roaring where the mountainside. Scenic lakes, they're calling us near. This is what it means to feel alive out here.
Getting a little bit rougher.
First half smooth like a whisper's breeze.
Still not bad.
The second half's rough, but it's a tease. Challis Creek knows how to keep us guessing.
Turned into a 2R trail. Rough and rocky.
The road bends, the world expands. Grip tight, hold steady with steady hands. Every bump feels like a blessing. James and Carmelita riding high. RZR roaring where the mountainside. Scenic lakes, they're calling us near. This is what it means to feel alive out here. Out here.
Ever since the rocks started, the rocks just won't quit.
Dust flies high wheels.
Rocks ahead of us. Rocks behind us.
Boulders ahead like monsters crowned. James laughs loud, Carmelita screams. This ain't no road, it's a nightmare dream. Razor to Challis Creek, flying blind.
Hold on, we're gonna have to roll her across it.
From hell, rocks ahead and behind. Carmelita shouts her wild refrain. We'll conquer this beast again and again. Idaho skies
Brutal.
river wide. Mountains near cliffs by our side. The razor roars defiant and free.
This is probably the roughest one we've been on this year.
Yes, it's destiny. The rocks won't win, the fear won't stay. We keep on climbing, come what may. Razor to Challis Creek, flying blind. Trail from hell, rocks ahead and behind. Carmelita shouts her wild refrain. We'll conquer this
The lake.
beast again and again.
Well, we're in 7.2 miles from where we started, and we've finally reached one of the Challis Creek Lakes. It's pretty. We can see some trout jumping. We're going to fly the drone, have a look around, maybe go see the other Challis Creek Lakes. Well, Carmelita and I have made it into Challis Creek Lakes. They sure are pretty, and we're seeing a few trout jump. The road, especially the last couple of miles, was pretty punishing.
Rough, very rough.
Just brutal.
Brutal.
We're going to sit here and enjoy a mid-morning snack, look at the lake views. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.